Rare earth alloys. What is this impossible object made of? Well, MIT's materials analysis has provided the most detailed answer yet, and honestly, it's a game changer. Their energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy confirmed the base metal is an aluminum alloy, but with a critical difference. It's been intentionally doped with a specific suite of rare earth elements, including cerium, neodymium, and lithium. Dr. Jeffrey C. Grossman, a professor of materials science at MIT, explained that these are not impurities. Each serves a specific engineering purpose: cerium for high-temperature stability, neodymium for creating powerful magnetic properties, and lithium for reducing density while increasing strength. This explains the alloy's incredible hardness, testing at 330 on the Brinell scale. Dr. Grossman noted in the 2025 report that these elements are central to today's quantum research because they can hold specific quantum states, or qubits, with remarkable stability. The presence of these exact materials isn't a coincidence. It's a signature of technology focused on quantum-level physics.